Hi, Jez from youHQ, and this is an administrator how-to video on how you can go into the support area and change what it looks like. We're working with schools in 5 different countries at the moment, and every school works slightly differently, and the message that they're trying to give to the students might be slightly different. So if I log in as a student, my dashboard might look like this. I can reach out on the support page and I can type a message in here, and I've got access to the default wellbeing and mental health charities, Childline, Shout, Samaritans, and then our own youHQ urgent support link at the bottom. But if you want to change that, so these are quite UK specific and also fairly generic, then you can do that as an administrator. So you need administrator access. If I go into the teacher dashboard area, if I click on my school and then I scroll down to settings, so on this area now, if I go to support, if that's left blank, that box there, then it will be filled with the default content, which is that. If you have your own specific things you want to put in, specific charities, culture specific, country specific, or anything to school specific, you can put other bits in if you want to as well. So if I wanted to put something like support, please contact, and then the name of the contact, ... I could put that in. If I then update that, and it will say success support settings updated, if I go back to the student dashboard and just reload that page, you can see now that has changed. It will take away the default area. So if you want to keep that and add something else in, you'll have to copy and paste the whole thing. So it's there for you. You can change it. You can go back if I want to go. If I think actually no, that doesn't look good, because it's obviously that's not what you want in there. If I just go back in, delete that, and then update that, and I leave it blank for the default content, and then go back into the support page, then it will update it with that. Okay, so you might want to add something in. You might want to keep that, copy and paste, play around with it, but it's there. It's a new feature. It's there to support you and your school to do exactly what you want to do for you and your community. Thanks, guys. Take care.